viewers, welcome to my channel Gyan Knowledge Hub. In this video I am going to discuss with you the science midterm exam for class 7. So maximum marks is 60 and time is 2 hours 30 minutes. So let us start the discussion of the paper, but before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Okay, let us start with section A. Section A is for MCQs, 1 mark each, 10 questions. Which of the following is not a micronutrient in plants? Nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, zinc. Which of the following processes release the most energy? Anaerobic respiration, photosynthesis, aerobic respiration, or fermentation? Next, which of these shows the correct sequence of nutrition in amoeba? Egestion, digestion, assimilation, absorption. Digestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion, digestion, assimilation, absorption, egestion, or egestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation. So you have to select the correct order. What are proteins broken down into? Glucose, fatty acids, amino acids, or glycerol? Next, assertion. A. Acids turn blue litmus red. Reason. Acids have a pH value greater than 7. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, but R is false. And last option is A is false, but R is true. Next question. So 4 figures are there. Which figure shows the correct way of reading the the temperature on a thermometer? So you have to tick the correct figure. Next, Anu revisited a historical monument after 10 years. She noticed that the white monument had turned yellowish. Which event is most likely to have caused the change in the color of the monument? Flood, drought, acid rain, thunderstorm. Next, complete the following chemical reaction. Acid plus base is equal to X plus Y. So what does X and Y stand for? X is equal to dash, Y is equal to dash. Which of these can never happen in a physical change? Change in the size of objects, change in state of matter, change in the shape, change in the composition of matter. And the last question for MCQs. Where does digestion of the food start in the human digestive system? Mouth, stomach, esophagus, or small intestine? Now we come to section B. 2 marks each, 3 questions. Unscramble the words given below. These are some jumbled letters. You have to unscramble them, and there is a choice with this question. Give any one example of each. Acid found in food, and second one is physical change. So there is a choice in this question. Next, write true or false. Stomata are present on the surface of leaves for gaseous exchange. Bases have a sour taste. Rusting of iron is a physical change. The main product of photosynthesis is glucose and oxygen. Next, label the structure of a human tooth indicating the enamel, dentine, crown, and root. So the diagram of tooth is there. You have to label them. Explain the process of photosynthesis with the help of a word equation. Explain why physical exercise causes an increase in the breathing rate. How does this help to meet the oxygen demand in the body? Next, differentiate between physical and chemical changes with one example. How does heat transfer takes place through conduction? Provide an example. Now section C. Give reasons why acids are not stored in metal containers. Identify and label the given below diagram. So a diagram of stomata is there and you have to label it. Next, how does temperature affect the rate of respiration in organisms? Give examples. What is neutralization? First part of this question. Second part, suppose a metal object is left outside and begins to rust. Suggest methods to prevent this from happening. So this was question number 21. Now, next question, section D. Describe the process of digestion in human body, mentioning the role of different organs. There is a choice in this question. Label the following parts, any 5, and describe the function of any 2. So you also have to describe the function of 2 parts and label 5 of them. Differentiate between the various methods by which heat is transferred from one object to another. Write examples for each method. What are the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration? Write the equations for both the processes. Write word equations for two chemical reactions with the help of materials given below. So some materials are given in the box. You have to make two chemical reactions. Section E, 4 mark each. Case study. In a kitchen, a student observes the boiling of water and then adds some salt to it. The water starts evaporating, leaving behind salt crystals in the container. Which type of change is boiling of water? What happens to the salt when it is added to the boiling water? Name the process of obtaining salt crystals after the water evaporates. Can the original water and salt mixture be restored? If yes, how? So that is all for this science midterm exam for class 7th. If you find the video useful, please like it and share it with your friends also.